How to install TikTok after the ban. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can install TikTok on your device after the TikTok ban. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store or App Store and simply search for TikTok. And if you don't see it, then that probably means that it's not available on your region. So in this case, what you can do is try to download it off of Google. So head over to your web browser. And now you're just going to go ahead and enter this URL right here, tiktok.com/download. And you can try to download TikTok from here. If you're using Android device, it will show you Android. And if you're using an iOS device, it will show you iPhone. So try to switch between Android and iOS from here so you can download TikTok for iPhone as well. Now, once you tap on it, it should start downloading, but if it's not working, then what you can try to do is go to your Play Store back again and search for VPN. Now, you can try to locate a certain VPN that has nice reviews. So as you can see, it has 8 million reviews and it has quite a decent rating. So you can try to download the search VPN and change location. Now, after you've changed location, you can search for TikTok again on your App Store or Play Store, and then simply it will show up on your screen and you can download it from there. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.